Okay, we're going to do the Bernie Sanders meme, and the first thing you want to do is download the image that's in the Google Classroom. Right click on the image, right click and save image as, and save it. Okay, then you're going to go to Photopea, and on there you're going to go to File, Open, go to where the image is, open it, and then we're going to try to remove the background. And the thing about this background is that this area is mainly dark and the background is mainly light. So let's duplicate, but this right here is darker than this one right here. So we're going to do it in sections, and we're going to do it in this section here by the pants, the jacket, and the head. And I'll tell you why. Watch this. We're going to duplicate the layer. I'm going to go to Layer, Duplicate Layer. I'm going to do it 3 times. One for the pants, one for the jacket, and one for the head. So now I have an original and 3 copies. So what I'm going to do is, because the mask is black and white, we have to take out the color. So I'm going to go to Image, Adjustment, Desaturate. That gets rid of all the color, and I'm going to do that to every copy. Image, Adjustment, Desaturate, second copy. Select the layer you want to do the. I was hiding. This is the eyeball to unhide, and then you click on the one you want to affect. Image, Adjustment, Desaturate. Now, do not do the color. This is our copy. Do not do our color copy here. We'll start out with the first one, and you always have to select the layer, right? Make sure your eyeball is on there. And we're going to increase the contrast of this area right here, the pants. So we're going to go Image, Adjustment, Levels. Grab it by this top panel here, move it aside, and I'm going to increase the black just a little bit. Make sure that some of this stuff is dark here, but then I'm going to move the brightness to get this part to lighten up right here. So this part is lighting up, and the jacket is actually lighting up too, but I can also move this, but that also darkens that. So it's kind of a back and forth. So I'm trying to lighten the background, but also increasing the contrast at the same time. So you can there. I managed to get all this part white. Now you notice that it messed up the jacket and the head. We don't have to worry about it. We're only thinking about the bottom portion here. Okay, click OK. Now I'm going to click on the second copy, put the eyeball on, and this time I'm going to focus on the jacket. So I'm going to go Image, Adjustment, Levels, and we're going to increase the contrast a little bit. But we don't care about the head, we don't care about the feet, we only care about the jacket. On the second, we're doing this to the second layer, second the duplicate layer. So we're going to, there, we managed to get the background white there. So now we can darken this area here like that. There, I think we did it. We did it. There. So I got this white and I got this black, and that's all I needed. Okay. Now let's click on the last one. We're going to do the head. So I'm going to zoom into the head, Control plus, hold the space bar, and click down. Now the problem is that this is the dark side and this is the light side, but his hair is light. So we have a problem here. Okay, so we're gonna have to do this backwards. So we're gonna Image, Adjustment, Levels, and I want to try to get the background to be dark and his hair to be white, because that's what it is right now. Want to get the background to be dark, and the hair, dark background. Let me see. Trying to darken the background, but also keep the hair there. I think I might have maybe lost the hair. There, I think I got it there. Okay. So now I'm gonna use the lasso, the polygonal lasso, and select the white hair with the background. I need the background. I need this background here. So I guess all I need is the hair. There. So I've selected the background and the hair, right? I'm gonna make a copy, edit, paste, and now I can hide this layer and which I should apply it to this layer maybe. So what I'm going to do first is invert the hair because I want it backwards. I want the background to be white and him to be black. So I'm going to go image, adjustment, invert. So now it's backwards. Let me see. There, I guess. So I'm going to merge this image with this one down here with the jacket, the head with the jacket. I'm going to right click, and you know, if it helps, you can label this could be color image, you know, color image. So you know what you're doing. This would be pants. This would be jacket. And this would be head. And this would be head negative. This is the negative. We flip the colors. This is the positive, this is the negative, right? So, okay, so let's do this in order here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the jacket and put it in pants, right? So this jacket is too bright, but this jacket is just right? So I'm going to use the marquee select, the rectangles, the rectangle selection. Rectangle, not the circle. And let's see. I guess I'm gonna grab his ears. I'm gonna grab his ears, go all the way down to before I get to the dark side. I don't want to get to the dark. Do not use the dark side. Okay, to this area right here, I want to get the ears because after that the hair is white. So I wanted this, and I'm going to go edit, copy. So I'm only doing the jacket here, right? Oops, you see what I did? I have the pant layer selected, and I'm copying the wrong layer because I'm looking at this layer. So make sure you have the right layer selected. I want to copy the jacket, so I should have the jacket layer selected, not the pants. I'm going to have to copy it again. Edit, copy, take the eyeball, and make sure you select the pants. And we're going to paste the new jacket on here because you see how this is all blown out, too bright. Go edit, paste, and now you see how I pasted the jacket onto these dark pants, okay? And I want to merge the new jacket with the new pants. I'm going to go right click and merge down. Okay, now I'm going to copy actually I don't need to copy because I have it separate already here. And you see now it changed the name to layer 1, but this is the original pants. And so I have, oh, I think I should copy. I completely lost the head. So what I'm going to do, let's see. I lost the head. I don't have a head. Okay. So I'm going to increase the contrast of the head negative. Just the head negative. Just this one. I'm going to go image adjustment levels and make it dark and make the background white. Lost some of it. I lost some of the detail. There. I guess I can merge these two images together and merge down. So now that's it. That's our entire image. So I can get rid of some of this stuff. Like I don't need this guy here. So I'm going to take my brush. I'm going to make get white. And let's see. I get a hard brush. Let's see, big enough. And paint. Be careful not when you're swinging the thing around that you don't accidentally erase the chair. Like that. Hold the space bar and let's see. Let's paint this white. Be careful not to erase the hair or the jacket. You have to be very careful. Get this edge here, and I can't get that edge right there. Okay. Now we have this removed. Now we need to get everything inside black. So I'm going to switch my colors to black. And let's paint the, oops, what color am I using here? What is that? Okay, Control Z if you mess up. If you click on, see I had blue. Let's say you have red, right? And green or something like that. You want to get black and white, click on this little icon right here and it gives you black and white. And there, now you can paint with black. Okay. And I'm going to get his mask and his sunglasses. Gotta be careful with his ears. There. We do not touch the outside because that's the whole point. I'm only trying to get the inside, and I think I might have messed up his ear. There. So let's say I messed up his ear. We can clean this up by selecting in the color layer, because now we can see the color layer, right? I'm going to use the polygonal lasso, and I'm going to select the jacket like this. Select the jacket. Try not to select the background. Select the ear like this. Oops, I messed up on the ear. You can, I think is it backspace? Let's see, backspace. Backspace, hit the backspace key and it goes back. And then I can select the hair and go to the other side. Select the hair and the ear and the jacket. There. So now I can go back to make sure you're the negative selected, and I can paint the inside. Okay. Now I need to erase the outside, so I'm going to go select inverse. So